This is how you're going to be adding a resume to Indeed. So this is just a very simple and quick tutorial. So without further ado, let's get started with the video. So first up, you're going to head over to Indeed.com, and then from the page, you're just going to make sure that you are signed into an account or you create an account if you are a first timer. Now, once you're in, you're going to be looking at your dashboard. Now from your dashboard, you're just going to head over to the top right corner of the screen, and then you will see this profile icon right here. Now, once I click on that, a drop down menu will appear. And what you're going to do next is you're going to click on this profile. Now, from your profile page, if you scroll down a little bit, you'll be able to see this resume section. So you have two ways in order for you to add a resume. You can either upload one or you can also build a resume from Indeed. So let's get started with uploading a resume. So you're going to click on upload resume first, and then you're going to upload a resume that you currently have. So this one is most suitable for people who already have their resume prepared or those who prefer to have a personalization on their resume. But after that, you're going to click on open, and then your resume will be uploaded and will be added into your resume section wherein your employers can see it. Now, from there, another thing that you can do is to build an Indeed resume. So this one is most recommended for people who don't know how to make their own resume or those who do not have their own resumes yet. So what you're going to do is you're going to click on build an Indeed resume, and then from there, you're just going to fill in all of the details. You're going to fill out all of the fields that they're going to ask from you. Like it's going to start with your name, and then it's going to start asking for your contact number, your professional experience, your education, and all of the stuff that you would basically see on your resume. And once you're done, all you have to do is to click on save and exit right here, and then your resume will be posted in your resume section. And that's it. That is how you can add a resume to Indeed. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this.